Hello.
So students, we are proceeding further. Okay. Now, I said that I would like to ask you a few questions before I go proceed further. So my first question is for you. My first question is, suppose Ram has 10 chocolates. Okay. Ram has 10 chocolates. And Sham has no chocolates. Sham has no chocolates. Listen very carefully, children. Ram has how many chocolates? 10 chocolates. Okay. And Sham has no chocolates, zero chocolates. Now, Ram feels that I should give some chocolates to Sham. Ram feels that I should give some chocolates to Sham. Rushi Dongre, it's a request for everyone. Please do not chat through the chat box. Okay. So, Ram feels that I should give some chocolates to the Sham. And he gives 4 chocolates to Sham. Okay. See, I'm repeating once again. Ram has 10 chocolates and Sham has no chocolates. So Ram feels bad that Sham has no chocolates. So I should give some chocolates to Sham. Okay. So Ram gives 4 chocolates to Sham. How many chocolates he gives? 4 chocolates to Sham. Then how many chocolates will be remain with Ram? How many chocolates will remain with Ram? Yes, now you can answer through the chat box. Okay, let's see. Obed, Shivam, Samyak, Prap, 8 minus 4, 4. 8 minus 4, 4. What did you do exactly, children, here? 8 minus 4, 4. So here, what did you do exactly? आपने यहाँ पे क्या किया exactly? हमें वो देखना है कि आपने exactly क्या किया. आपने subtraction तो किया, but exactly आपने किस तरह का process किया? It's a request for everyone. Do not chat to the chat box. It's a request for everyone. Do not chat to the chat box. Okay. It was written this way: 8 minus 4, right? This is the horizontal arrangement. And if I write this way, 8 minus 4, this is the vertical arrangement. This is the vertical arrangement. So what is the exactly meaning of this? What is the exactly meaning of the subtraction? We have to reduce the number from the given number. Now this is the 8, right? Suppose I have 8 pencils. I have 8 pencils and I give 4 pencils to somebody else or someone else. 4 pencils to someone else. So how many will be remain with me, right? How many will be remain with me? So yes, absolutely answer is 4. Please do not chat through the chat box, children. Answer is 4. Absolutely. So do exactly. I found, or I calculated the difference between the two numbers. I calculated difference in between the two numbers. What is the difference in between 8 and 4? Difference. What is the difference in between 8 and 4? If you count the difference, we'll find that you have, if while subtracting the numbers, yesterday we counted together. That is the addition. That is the addition. Now in subtraction we have to find the difference. In subtraction we have to find the difference कि दोनों numbers के बीच में कितना gap है, difference क्या है exactly. So let's see how. This is first number is 8, so we'll be drawing 8 lines here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Which is the below number? It's 4, right? So here we will not draw more lines. We want difference here, so we'll be cut the lines. We have drawn 8 lines and below number is 4, so that's why we'll be cutting the lines here. How many lines will you be cut? 4 lines. So 1 2 3 and 4. How many lines remain now? Count how many lines remain. कितने lines बचे अभी यहाँ पे? 1 2 3 4. Now 4 lines are remain, so that's why the answer is 4. Answer is 4. So to count the difference, to find the difference, this is called subtraction. To find the difference, or what is the difference is between two numbers. उन दोनों numbers के बीच में exactly कितने का difference है? एक number दूसरे number से कितना बड़ा है? To get this answer, we process subtraction. To get the answer, we process subtraction. So I hope you all have understood that what is the subtraction. Subtraction means to find the difference in between the two numbers. To find the difference in between the two numbers. This is called subtraction. Yes, I hope you all have understood that what is the exact meaning of subtraction. Okay. Yes, dear children, if you have understood the definition of subtraction, please type Y in the chat box. Good, very nice. So what is the definition of subtraction? Once again, to find the difference in between two numbers. To find the difference in between two numbers, it is called subtraction process. Yes, children? Very nice. So let's proceed further now. So this is the way we are supposed to solve the subtraction sums. Okay, now there are some sums where we have to borrow some things there. We have to borrow the numbers. How exactly? $63, just a minute children, 63 minus 25. 63 minus 25. Very good, Ananya. If you all know, please be attentive here. Understand it first. You may have forgotten, right? You may have forgot it. So please be attentive here. 63 minus 25. We have to solve this sum. So how you'll be solving this? As the place of 3 is ones place or it is unit place, do not answer through the chat box, children, now please. So the place of 3 is ones place and the place of 6 is tens place. Okay, now as I said, you will be starting from the ones place. Please be attentive, children. Please be attentive here. Please be attentive. I said do not answer to the chat box. Please, it's a request for everyone. Please pay attention here. Okay, first understand it, how to solve, and then will be put further. Okay, then I'll be giving you some sums to solve, but right now please pay attention. Okay, do not answer the chat box. Now we'll be starting from the ones place. Which is the first number? 3. So we'll be drawing 3 lines. 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay, because the first number is 3. Which is the below number? 5. Now we have to cut 5 lines. From the 3 lines. Now cut 5 lines. 1, 2, 3. Here are only 3 lines and we have to cut 5 lines here, right? So how it is possible? Tell me, is it possible to cut 5 lines from the 3 lines? Yes. Is it possible to cut 5 lines from the 3 lines? No, it is not possible. Suppose I have only 3 rupees. Okay, I have only 3 rupees and somebody is demanding me 5 rupees. Is it possible to give me 5 rupees to him? No. अगर मेरे पास में सिर्फ 3 रुपए है, राइट, और कोई अगर मेरे पास 5 रुपए मांग रहा है, मेरे पास में कितने रुपीस मांग रहा है? 5 रुपए मांग रहा है, तो मैं क्या उसको दे पाऊंगा? क्या नहीं दे पाऊंगा, बिकॉज आई हैव ओनली 3 रुपीज, राइट। पर एक बात मैं यहां पे कर सकता हूं, अगर कोई मुझे 5 रुपए मांग रहा है, अगर मुझसे 5 रुपए मांग रहा है, तो मैं एक बात यहां पे कर सकता हूं, मैं अपने नेबर से कुछ पैसे borrow